It was a brief court appearance. Obviously, it's a first appearance. It was just for us to formally put the charges. So the matter has been postponed to next week, Friday the 19th. All accused remain in custody until then. They've elected to apply for legal representation from Legal Aid. So between now and next week Friday, that process will unfold, and once they have legal representation, they've also indicated that they wish to bring formal bail applications. So hopefully next week Friday, if the court is available to entertain such an application, then the matter will be postponed for that purpose.
Ndumiso from News from Africa, is there a particular reason why we don't have a hijacking charge in the list of charges?
Well, the hijacking part, that charge falls under robbery with aggravating circumstances. So you will see on the charge sheet itself, we have 5 charges, one of murder. The second one is robbery with aggravating circumstances, possession of ammunition, possession of firearm, as well as defeating the ends of justice.
Suspended bullet treaty judge of NCA. Are these the correct suspects? And is the shooter also amongst the accused that were in the dock today?
Well, much of that information will be divulged in court. Remember that as a state, we are also expected to prove our case beyond reasonable doubt, and amongst others to prove to the court that indeed the person before court is the right person. So the issue of identity will form part of our cases as the state, because we, amongst others, we have to prove identity of the person before court.
What is the crux of your case? Are you adamant that you have a watertight case against the accused?
For now, the test that the docket needs to pass was that of prospects of a successful prosecution. So with the evidence at our disposal, we are sure that it has passed the test of prospects of a successful prosecution.
Obviously, they remain in custody right now, but they are seeking bail, opting for bail, using legal aid representation. Will the NPA oppose this move brought forward?
Well, investigations are ongoing. As you can recall that during court, the prosecutor indicated that there are investigations that must be conducted relating to their applications that they want to bring to be released on bail. So we will be guided by such investigations, but the appetite is there to oppose their release on bail.
Suspended Hlomikhawu, you expecting more arrests?
Well, the issues of arrest are the competency of the South African Police Service. So we, as the NPA, cannot comment on issues of arrest. The police are in a better position, guided obviously by their investigations. They'll be the ones to determine whether more people will be added to the case or not.
Suspended Pule again, once again from ENCA. Do the accused have previous convictions?
Much of that information will be divulged during the bail application stage. As I've said, that we are still at the very early stages of the case. So we are yet to conduct our investigations in preparation for the bail application, and much of that information will be divulged in court during the bail application stage.
Baron, that's of course the NPA just giving a detailed response following the article.